Hi everyone, I'm Shirlyn Wright. I am so excited to share with you a new spiritual healing modality that I have developed since 2005 and will now start introducing here to clients in Hong Kong. Divine Consciousness Chakra Healing is a transformative system that is designed to reintroduce you to yourself and all of the possibilities and potential that are stored in your chakras. This system mainly focuses on 25 major chakras. It is a non-invasive modality that extracts messages from and heals the energy centers throughout your physical body so that we can start uncovering all of these specific stories of experiences you've accumulated over many lifetimes. Stories of love and light and power that help you have a different perspective and take a different approach to your life now. 17 years ago, I started channeling information about each of these chakras. I started getting their names of the chakras, their purpose, the information that's contained in them, why they're important, and even their color vibrations. So these 25 chakras that are throughout our entire body, they're really important. They're like chapters in a book, right? And if we read all the chapters, we have this complete understanding of who we are, our history, what we've experienced before, what we're experiencing now, and how we can shift ourselves. How can we shift what we're experiencing so that we can become more expansive? One of the chakras is called the bliss chakra. Specifically, it's about how to communicate with this energy of unconditional love, not only to ourselves, but to other people in our lives. When we are communicating, we have a sense of feeling grounded. We have a sense of feeling connected to others and knowing that what we say is important. Another chakra is called the unpredictability chakra. And this chakra's purpose is to allow us to connect more to this dynamic, chaotic, unpredictable energy that we have. It's a creative energy. This is how we can have all of this vitality, get different ideas, and with this creative energy, we use it to revitalize ourselves, revitalize our relationship, revitalize how we see ourselves and how we experience life. In a 60-minute session, you are laying on a massage table, and I will use gemstones and music to help tune your chakras. If you are having a problem or a struggle with different areas of your life, it could be that you are an artist and you feel blocked. You're having a challenge in your career. You're having a challenge with your love life. You are having a challenge with just feeling connected to others. What we would do is identify which chakras are out of balance, that need healing, and also that have the answer and the keys for you on how to shift this aspect of your life. We're focusing on why it's stuck. However, we're not looking at it's stuck because of A, B, C, and D. No, as you're laying there, I will stand over you, sending healing to your chakras and also to help you get into a deep meditative state so that you can drift back in time, looking at different stories of power, love, creativity, anything that you need to know and use specifically here and now. What we're doing is, as you're in this deep meditative state, you are revisiting a time and soul experiences where you knew how to make a career change, how to financially support yourself, how to create a more loving relationship, how to feel more empowered about who you are and what your purpose is. It's not that you have to know it, it's about feeling it. That information is being sent to every cell of your body so that you naturally can understand why you're stuck now and how to move through that block and shift your life. Of course, you may not have any challenge or problem going on. You're very happy with who you are and where you are in life. However, within all of us, we have so much potential, untapped potential and possibility that maybe you just are curious, right? What have I done? what are these magnificent things that I have experienced? Wherever you drift off to during the session, you are telling yourself, I'm ready to access this potential. I'm ready to access more happiness, more love, more success. You see the wonder of you, because in actuality, there is no end to how much happiness, love, and success we can experience. Why not allow ourselves to express more of that while we're here?